Alright, I just got to my campsite, went to hang my towel on the tree, and this homie came at me way hard. And now he's in my van trying to tell me something. Look at this dude. Alright, now we shall attempt to remove him, or her, or whatever. Come on. Get out. Oh, there he goes. Oh, jeez. Come on, wrong way. I'm gonna try. Oh, shit, now he's in the cabin. Okay. Alright. He is enjoying how we do. Oh, God. Come on, buddy. Everything is open for you. Get out. Move. Go. Move. Get the fuck out. Oh, jeez. I keep pushing him into the corners. Alright, he's super scared now. Come on. Oh, fudge. He's right there. Oh, come on, bud. You gotta get out. Come on. Alright, I gotta, like, touch him with something. Get out. One-handed's not helping, but you gotta document this kind of crap. Get out. Look, I'm touching you. Get out. Just move. Just move. Come on. Come on. I hope he doesn't fuck with me. I'm touching him. Oh, shit. Oh, get the fuck out. Oh, there he goes. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go. We got him up onto the hats. Okay, bud. Here we go. Oh, jeez. Okay. Keep pushing him this way. He thinks I'm probably gonna eat him. Come on. No, all the way out. No, you gotta go the other way, buddy. Get out. I don't give a fuck. Go, go. Here you go. There you go. Okay. And all the way out. And all the way out. Don't know if I was filming for that, but crisis averted. Had to actually touch him a couple times. I probably shouldn't touch my face now, but I did. That was my bird friend. He liked Howie, I guess. And it seems like he got back up into his tree, which is this here. Super pretty tree, tons of little spruce tips, I think is what they are. Sort of growing on there. Really cool. But this is my dude's home. He's my neighbor, and fortunately, it seems that he's not gonna come back in here. So we'll shut her up and make sure there's no new ways for entry. Status update. Just tried to put my towel into this tree after hitting the hot springs, and a bird attacked me. Just a little one. Not really sure what the species was, but attacked me and then went into my van. So he was in there for a while, and I was trying to coax him out, and he kept flying into corners, and ultimately I ended up touching him to get him to move the direction I wanted him to. Which is a little, I don't know, for some reason made me nervous. Anyhow, that's my neighbor. And he got out ultimately, and he's just in the tree behind me, right there. Otherwise, things are good. Yeah.